Alright, and welcome back on the channel. So today we're back with a new video. In today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up WireGuard VPN. This app is available on Google Play Store. The app will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. And before we begin this video, make sure you have already installed the app on the WireGuard VPN app. So it's on Google Play Store. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step in order to achieve a fast and secure connection. So this video is intended for education purposes only, and the app is on Google Play Store and you install it on Google Play Store. So the app is WireGuard. So as communicated earlier, the app will help you to secure a connection when you are online in case you set it up the right way. So this is the app. Make sure to install the right app, and please read this app terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And also please make sure don't violate your country respective local laws. Make sure to adhere with them when you are using a VPN app. So after installing the app, open it, and when you open it, it will not have any configuration. So you'll be able to tap on this plus button. Then you can either create one from scratch, or you can scan a QR code, or after creating the file you can be able to import it using the option draw. So after knowing that, let me show you on how to create this configuration file, and you'll be able to set it up, and then you achieve a fast and secure connection. So open Chrome or any other search engine, and when you open Chrome or any other search engine, you visit this website SSL tunnel. The site will help us to create the WireGuard configuration, and please make sure that you visit the right app, the right website. And when you visit the right website, you'll be able to tap on the menu button. So from this site we shall be able to create. So from the site, before using this site, as communicated, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. So you tap on the menu button, and a list of menu will be presented. Just tap on WireGuard VPN server. So when you tap on WireGuard VPN server, it will take you to another page where you will be able to enter username. So you enter any username which you prefer. So you enter any username just like that, and then you enter any password which is secure. And after entering that, you click on download config. And when you click on download config, we just give this website a few seconds to do the rest for you. And as we wait, make sure to like, share, subscribe on the channel as you are watching. So when you subscribe, you are helping this channel to reach a wider audience of people who may need the same content. And after that, the website has already downloaded the WireGuard configuration. So let's go back on the WireGuard app. When you reach in the WireGuard app, you are required to tap on this plus button. Then you import from file. Then you will see the created. Remember the name we used. The name we used when we were creating this file, it was false, and you can see this is the config. So you tap on it and this is a surprise. When you tap on it, it won't import. So how to fix it? So just open your files app, or where you can see the downloaded files in your phone, and you head right there, and you will see that file you have just downloaded. Just tap on the three lines or the edit button, then you look for rename, and from here you just do these changes. Just remove the enink.txt and then you delete it, and make sure that this file ends with .conf. Then you click on OK and you click rename. I hope I was very clear at this point. And after that, after renaming just like that, go back in the app WireGuard, and then you try to import again. So you try to import again, you select it, then you import, and right away the file will be imported. And that's how we fix that issue of failing to import after downloading the config. That's how we create the WireGuard configuration to get a secure, to set up the WireGuard and get a fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So you may need to do some changes to this file. You just tap on it and you can utilize this pencil button. You can rename it by tapping on the pencil button. You give it a new name. You can give it a new name. So you can give it any name which you prefer, but this issue of putting space, the app will not allow you to do that. So you, after giving it a new name and doing your other preferred settings, you'll be able to click on this save button and your configuration will be saved. Then you go back and you can see that we just given it a new name, and that's how we set up WireGuard. And after setting up like that, you just need to insert a connection by tapping on this radio button besides the configuration. And if everything was accurate, when you tap on this radio button besides the configuration, you will see that it will turn on and your device will be secured via WireGuard connection. So that's how we set up this app. Comment in the comment section and also subscribe. So that's how we get a secure connection from WireGuard, and let's meet again.